Let me show you a cool little trick here. With Revit 2025, this is not an issue anymore, but I want to show you the tool. So that's the main objective here. So when you have your drawing, you see a lot of grids that are overlapping, like their bubbles heads are overlapping. One option is to just start hiding those that you don't want to see, and another option is to actually organize them. So for example, we'll start here. So I can organize this one, move it this way, and then this one, just keep it there, and then this one just to give it more room, and then we can start moving these ones so we can give them enough room for us to see what is going on and not having them overlapping. Right, so you can do this and move all of these away like that so that they won't overlap. Right, you do it for one view, but what if you want to apply it to all the other levels? So you don't want to be doing this for each one of them. Let me do this really quick. Okay, so you did it once and you want to replicate it for the other levels. So this is the way to do it. This is the tool. Let's do it just for one grid, just to show you the tool. So we go to Propagate Extents and just pick whatever level you want to replicate this to. So in this case, it's level 2, level 3, level 4, and level 5. So you just pick the levels like that. Yeah, click OK. So now if you go to the level 2, you will see that that grid, the only one that we picked, has their broken section right there. So you see. So now we can just select all of them. So we can pick from left to right, making sure that you're only selecting grids. Cool. Now you can go to Propagate Extents and let's go to level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, and click OK. So now if we go to any of the other levels, you will see that all of them have the same broken points and the same location. So this works wonderful. Now this works even if we have a scope box selected or a crop view applied. This is only for Revit 2025, maybe 2024, I'm not sure, but I'm sure that it doesn't work on Revit 2023. Let's go there. Okay, so now we are on Revit 2023, and if we see here, we have grids as well with broken points. And if we try to propagate the extent of one of them, it doesn't even give us a window. And the reason why is because it has a scope box and it has a crop view. If either one of those has been applied, then this tool is not going to work. So what we need to do and to remember is to just click in here none, and even if you have a crop view, just deselect it for just a little bit, just to apply these. So now we can just select all the grids. You can select the entire view if you want to. So select all and filter by only grids. So we only want to see the grids being selected. And now when you go to Propagate Extent, you get to pick which view is the one that you want to apply this to. So for example, in here we are looking at floor plans, so let's select these two and maybe this one as well. We only want to see the ones with the same scale, just to make sure that we are doing it right. So we can duplicate these or propagate the way that the bubbles and the grids are showing up in these 4 views. So now when we click OK, it will only work if the view that you are pushing this to has also the scope box and the group view deselected, or in the case of the scope box, it says none, and in the group view is just not selected. Right, so let's see if this resulted or not. Well, in this one we are not seeing any grids. Let's check the next one. Yeah, and see they are showing up as expected. Level 3, same thing. Roof. So this is working only because we don't have a crop view and we don't have a scope box. So now if you want to go back and maybe apply the same scope box, you are welcome to do so. You will keep everything as expected and it will continue working.